Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling ingredients and immediately building the first layer. This sets texture and sweetness. Combine fine shaved ice in a tall clear glass so you can layer visibly. Once the ice is packed, drizzle 2-3 tablespoons evaporated milk and 1-2 tablespoons condensed milk to bind flavors and prevent melting too fast. Make sure the milk reaches the ice evenly. This helps flavor penetrate. From here, you create a stable base that supports heavier toppings and maintains creaminess as it melts. Once the milk-soaked ice is ready, layer the hearty fillings so each spoonful has contrast. That's key to halo. Spoon 2-3 tablespoons sweet beans, 1 or 2 pieces lech flan, and nata de coco around the glass to distribute chewiness. Then add a ribbon of yub jam in the center for concentrated flavor and color. Place a scoop of yub ice cream on top and press it lightly into the ice so it adheres. This stabilizes the scoop and allows slow melting that enriches every bite. You finish by garnishing for crunch, balance, and presentation. This completes the sensory experience. Sprinkle toasted pinnipig or crushed cornflakes for crisp contrast, add a slice of lech flan, and drizzle a touch more condensed milk if you want extra sweetness. Serve immediately with a long spoon so diners scoop from the bottom up. This mixes creamy, chewy, and syrupy layers. If the halo becomes watery, add more shaved ice. If it tastes overly sweet, a few drops of calamansi restore balance quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.